My last vacation in Santa Marta. In my last vacation, I went to Santa Marta. It was a wonderful trip. I went with my girlfriend. We stayed there for 6 days. We lived in a comfortable hotel near the beach. The first day, we visited the aquarium. This is a really good option to know both cultures. Then we went to El Rodadero. We enjoyed too much that place. In the night, we shared some tiny and delicious fish restaurant. I was long with los priceless experiences. The water in Santa Marta is hot and humid. Also, at night it is breezy, so it makes the water are really nice. It is recommended that people wear fresh and comfortable clothes. It is unnecessary to wear a hat, sun cream, and sunglasses. It is advisable to put on mosquito repellent. It is advisable to hear safe transportation. Thanks. Goodbye.